잠시 후 우회전입니다. 이어서 유턴입니다.
안녕 하린이. 언제 이렇게 롱다리가 돼가지고 우리 딸이. 안녕해 안녕. 아이고 잘하네. 안녕도 잘하네. 뽀뽀. 안녕. 보자.
발 조심해. 얼음 막.
킹크랩 기다리는 중. 얘기해봐. 킹크랩 얘기해봐.
이거 어떻게 얘기해?
이씨 기지개 핀다.
잘 잤네.
잘 잤네.
또 강아지보다 일찍 일어나는
아,
아기.
뒤에 차차차차.
또 강아지보다 일찍 일어나는 애기지? 한 시간 동안 기다려서 샀어요. 국수가 1시간, 카스테라 한 40분 기다렸냐? 여러분 오픈런도 소용없어요. 청량돌같이. 연돈입니다. 연돈. 어떤 알식에서 여기서 연돈 정식 달라고 정식. 저기 정식 안 팔아야 돼. 메뉴에 있는데 왜 안 파네?
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy.
출발합니다.
I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, oh. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a swing home runs I'm hitting and I'll never look back. Moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams.
아니 아빠 손잡아.
We all want things.
이만희 아빠 손잡아.
But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
그걸 왜 끌고 가?
Do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna
미끄럼틀 있네. 타요 미끄럼틀 있네.
Let's go. Hey. Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name. Oh, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things. What you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
이거 캠핑용인데 뭐. 아니 젖으면 어차피 말릴 텐데. 괜찮아. 이제 갈까? 물 얼마 안 받았어. 금방 안 나와. 이만희. 뭐 새벽 5시에 일어나는 애기가 어딨어? 응?